Welcome guys to another PK 12 video, and this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and we are going to take a look at the natural titanium one, 1 terabyte of storage. Yes, it finally arrived 28th of September 2024, picked it up from the Apple Store today, and we're going to take a look at peek or what's inside. And we have just a cable and what looks to be a SIM ejector as well. So that's all we have. Nothing else. No documentation, nothing. You can see we have a very long braided cable. Nothing else. Just that. But where's the phone? Maybe we need to do a little bit of magic. Oh, here it is. The natural titanium. And of course, we've already got this set up. We did this all at the Apple Store, of course. So we're doing a re-unboxing. Reboxing of the actual thing. So we can see here that camera button right there, the lovely capacitive button. We've got our 3 cameras. We've got the same buttons as we've always had on the back. Their SIM card slots as well as a USB-C port. So that's pretty much it, really. So let's see what else we have here. All right, let me just open the phone, and yeah, we've got all our apps installed. Everything's restored via iCloud, as you can see right there. So everything's up to date. And yeah, it looks pretty much the same in terms of screen real estate there. It is slightly bigger by 0.2, but let's take a look at my accessories. Let's get them right now. All right, so we've got our case. So this is the silicone Apple case, as you can see right here. It works great. But let's take a look at what's in the side here. So this is basically the same sort of case as you get with anything with Apple, except it's a silicone. But there's another thing I need to unbox. Yes, a fine woven Apple wallet. Yes, this is the very last thing you would ever get. But hey, there it is, the fine woven Apple wallet. And we got to put this all together, so we need to do a little bit of PKTV magic. Boom! There we go. Everything has been assembled. And there we have it. The iPhone 16 Pro Max in all of its glory with all of its accessories, including the screen protector that I didn't mention. But I do have a glass screen protector, courtesy of Amazon. And you can see that's what it looks like. Nice and snug. Very good. But let's try out the camera. We'll do a little demo of it, see, and just show you how that capacitive button actually works. There you go. I'm just sliding it across, as you can see. Zooming in. That's the default function. You can do other things, but basically you can do a shutter button snap. But that's pretty much it. That is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. See you guys later. Bye.